Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and today I'm gonna be giving you the secret that no one talks about, how to tune the YZ450 on the Powertuner app to make it do the smoothest wheel skis ever. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna give you guys all the tips on how to do it, so let's get it. Alright, to start in your app, you gotta power the bike up a little bit and then hop on your phone to the YAMAHA Powertuner app, and I'm about to unleash all the secrets for y'all. So now that you're in the Powertuner app, it comes with 3 maps and 1 stock map. As you can see, we got the smooth linear, linear torque, and hard hitting. And what we're doing today is gonna change map 2 to our own custom wheelie map, bro. You heard that right, this is a wheelie map. So let's get into it, let me show you guys the numbers. Alright, now that you're in your map settings, on the fuel injection side, you're going to want to turn all these numbers into a +3 to get them smooth wheel skis. And then on the ignition side, you're going to want to make these all -3, except the bottom 4, you're going to make -4 as you see. Then you'll want to set the map to number 1 or number 2. When the blue button's on, that will be map number 2. Alrighty gang, so now you know how to change your map. And this is a cheat code no one really talks about. Like, I had my bike on like the stock low hitting map forever, but it still was so powerful. And with this tune I just gave you, I feel like it's the perfect. You could put it down even more if you go -4, but like, it feels so much smoother. Like, it's amazing, dude. Like, look at this. I'm just chilling, and I feel like it tunes better too. Like, I feel like the bike tunes better. It's just all around. This is the map y'all need to go for, bro. A little stand up. Hop back. Let's go. So as you can see with this map, like, you can pull up so easy. Like, it's so easy just to pull up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. And it's a tad bit smoother, like just a little bit, and it's so good. Woo-hoo. So I'm gonna try to show you the difference. This is like a stock hitting map, right? Alright, I'm gonna change it to a stock map now. And to be honest, it's really gonna be hard. Like, it's gonna be hard to tell the difference unless you're riding the bike. But I'm gonna try to show you, like, it hits a tiny bit harder, as you can see. And I feel like it doesn't tune as good. Like, look at this tune. That's stock map right there. And watch, I'm gonna change it. Alright, let's change this bad boy to my map 2. Ah, shit, there's a cop. There's a dang cop, bruh. Hello?
No trespassing sign?
Yeah, but I've figured no one's back here. I'm not hurting no one, like.
You're not hurting nobody. I just want to make sure you're aware of it.
Yeah.
You know? So you keep rolling riding. I'm just letting you know, be cognizant of some other cops when I be at the show.
Okay. I'm just, yeah, I'll be gone in like 5 to minutes.
Just make smart decisions.
Okay. I appreciate it. Take care. No flipping way that just happened, bro. He just said we could stay here, dude. He said make the smart decision. What does that mean, bro? Does it mean I gotta go? I was like, bro, I'm trying to show you guys the tune, you know? I'm trying to show you guys the flipping perfect wheelie tune. And a cop pulls up, bro. This is the first time I've ever had a cop pull up here, dude. Which is pretty crazy. Dude, what is he gonna say when I'm wheeling, bro? What is he gonna say when I'm wheeling, bro? Yo, the cop didn't kick us out, so shout out him. But I'm gonna go show you guys a little bit more about this tune, because, like, it's just amazing. I just figured this out. Like, I knew you could tune the bikes, but I didn't really think it made a difference. And, like, I'm telling you, this tune I'm giving you guys makes a difference, bro. It's just that tad bit smoother. Like, the 450 has so much power already. This little bit smoother of a tune will help so much with your wheel skis. I'm gonna have to be quick because I think the cops is down there chilling. He's probably eating lunch or something. But yeah, this map is just so smooth, bro. Look at the stand-ups, bro. Like, you can just hold them in place like nothing, bro. Ooh, I'm scared to go all the way down here, bro. But as you can see, like, woo, we swerving McDerby out here, brother. That smooth map, brother. Woo-hoo, look at that, just holding it. It feels so good. I can't even lie, bro. I would hold it longer, but I feel like the popo's down here. He's down there somewhere. But let's put it back to stock. This is stock map, so you guys get an idea. Don't get me wrong. You can still do everything on the stock map. It's just, I don't know if I could change it I don't think I could change it mid riding. You can still do everything, but I don't know, something about this -3 +3 map that I'm showing y'all. Let's go. What I sort of do notice, I feel like the bike has more engine brake on this map, which is sort of weird because I feel like more power would give you more engine brake, but this sort of ain't happening with this. Dude, I don't know where this cop went. I'm like stressing out. Oh, he's right there. But like, I love the stand-ups. I feel like the stand-ups are way smoother. You can really hold it. Alright, I think I should get out of here, bro. I think I should get out of here, man. That cop scared me, I ain't gonna lie. Woo. Oh, the wheel ski. Let's go. A little no-hander. So gang, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully now you know how to use the Powertuner app. You got my MotoBroo tune to help you do some smooth wheel skis on the 450. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of that tune. I wish I had some more time here to really show you guys more about the tune, but as you guys see, we got cops in the distance behind me, and he said, you know, this is private property, or you know, that says no trespassing, like be smart. So I'm pretty sure he's meant I should leave and get the hell out of here, and I've been here for like 15-20 minutes after you already said that. But yeah, remember, stay motivated. I really hope this tune helped you guys with your YZ450. Stay disciplined. Till next time, gang. Peace.